Petrographic description of sedimentary rocks with Petroledge. Petroledge system optimizes the workflow for petrographic characterization of sedimentary rocks. Chapter 2. In this chapter, you will learn to perform the compositional analysis with Petroledge. To start the compositional analysis of the rock, go to the Analysis menu, Item Composition. The Composition screen provides a toolbar with arrows showing the tools, with features that guide the compositional analysis. The following features are available: Add Constituent, Save Description, Delete selected item, Undo and redo the last action, Manually enter the percentage of a constituent, Manually enter the points of a sample, Display selected lines, Clear the values of the columns, points and percentage, Group the selected constituents, Ungroup selected constituents, Configure colors of the selected lines, Load composition template, and set preferences. It's also possible to manage the stage lag point counter and to select the amount of points that will be counted. To add a constituent, click on the button Add Constituent and select a constituent among primary or diagenetic constituents or porosity. To add a primary constituent, select Primary Constituents. New lists are then available, offering the groups of primary constituents. Select the desired constituent. Click on the primary constituent and it will be added to the spreadsheet in the Constituent Identification column. Double-clicking on the line of the constituent will allow entering the constituent location and primary modifier. To quantify one point corresponding to the described constituent, double-click on the cell points. To decrement a point, hold down the Alt key and double-click on the cell points. To insert a diagenetic constituent, select the diagenetic constituents in Constituent List. New lists are then available, offering the groups of diagenetic constituents. Click on the desired diagenetic constituent. The diagenetic constituent selected will be added to the spreadsheet in the Constituent Identification column. Double-clicking on the line of diagenetic constituent will allow entering the habit, location, and diagenetic modifier, and also the relation, the constituent, and the location of the parogenetic relation constituents. To quantify one point corresponding to the described constituent, double-click on the cell points. To decrement a point, hold down the Alt key and double-click on the cell points. To insert pore types, select porosity in the constituent list. New lists are then available, offering different pore types. Click on the desired porosity. After selecting the pore type, it will be added to the spreadsheet in the Constituent Identification. Double-clicking on the line of diagenetic constituent will allow entering location and porosity modifier, and also the relation, the constituent, and the location of the constituents of the parogenetic relation. For more information, visit www.ndeeper.com.